thanks. Let me start by apologizing for my voice. I'm feeling much better than I sound. I led the world to coordinate the largest release of oil reserves in history, including from other countries. In total, more than 240 million barrels to boost global supply. During that time, I've also been working to increase U.S. production. Today, we're producing 12 million barrels per day.
That your team has been doing at your direction to engage with the industry on refining, on hurricane preparedness, and other issues that Secretary Granholm will update and brief you on. And the third